Your car's 24/7 bodyguard. Capture every moment with this 3-channel dash cam. Even at night. Tired of mystery dings, reckless drivers, and "it wasn't me" moments? The SUVCON J06 triple dash cam is your silent witness on the road, capturing everything from front, rear, and inside with crystal clear 1080p HD video. Whether you're a rideshare driver, parent, or road tripper, this 360 degrees surveillance system ensures you never miss a thing. Parking mode? Check. Night vision? Check. Loop recording? Double check. Forget cheap cams that miss crucial details, this one's built for serious protection and peace of mind. Seeing is believing, and this dashcam sees it all, day or night. Equipped with HDR technology and 4 infrared LED lights, it delivers flawless night vision inside and out. Low light? No problem. It adjusts exposure automatically, so license plates, faces, and road signs stay crystal clear even in pitch darkness. The wide 170 degrees front, 150 degrees interior, and 150 degrees rear cameras reduce blind spots, capturing everything that matters. Whether it's a fender bender or an unexpected event, this cam has your back, and front, and inside. No more storage headaches. The loop recording feature automatically overwrites old footage, so you never run out of space. And unlike other dash cams, this one comes with a 32 GB memory card, no extra purchase needed. Got hit while parked? The built-in G-sensor detects sudden impacts, locks the footage, and prevents it from being deleted. Set it, forget it, and let it do its job while you drive, or even when you don't. It's like a black box for your car, without the airline price tag. Installation? A breeze. Plug it in, stick it on your windshield, and you're good to go. The adjustable suction mount and extra-long rear camera cable make setup easy for any car, from compact sedans to minivans. The intuitive controls and user-friendly display mean you don't need a tech degree to operate it. While other cams feel like rocket science, this one is straight-up plug and play, because safety shouldn't be complicated. Why gamble on a cheap, unreliable dashcam? The SUVCON J06 is built to last, rigorously tested, and packed with features that make it a must-have for drivers who value safety, security, and convenience. Whether you're commuting, road tripping, or protecting your rideshare business, this affordable, high-quality dashcam is worth every penny. Don't wait until it's too late, get yours now and drive with confidence.